When we talk about future technology, let me take AI as an example. In the HK AI Lab every day, we see startups using the new technology in different fields. It could be in medical, in finance, in legal, in manufacturing, in properties. So we can see that learning a fundamental technology is very important because it will be applied in different disciplines in the future.
Programming is the language of the future. It's something that in this digital world, it will be a necessary skill, just like languages, just like math.
天才教室強調，除咗掌握咗科學嘅知識以外，電腦嘅知識都同樣重要，因為科學同科技係當今小朋友必備嘅能力。
It is important for kids to learn this kind of skill early on in their life. They learn it young. They can take baby steps, learning building computer from components. They can learn coding in the simple way to the more complex ways.
而我哋嘅電腦課程係全面嘅電腦課程，係透過 MIT 電腦工程嘅藍圖，然後俾小朋友可以喺中學嘅時候已經掌握到一啲大學嘅電腦工程嘅知識。
So, for example, if we have a computer hardware class, the students will actually assemble the computers, and also in programming language class, we teach you how to make real programs out of the algorithms that you've learned and actually turn those into projects so students get a really hands-on approach to actually learning about computers and a very comprehensive idea.
It's like today we all have to rely on mathematics skills and language skills. In the futures of the life of the kids, they have to also rely on programming skills that they can learn from computing science program.